Hey, everyone! Did you know that turmeric has been used for thousands of years as a powerful healing spice? It's not just for curry anymore. What if I told you that a simple turmeric drink could help reduce inflammation in your body? Intrigued? Stick around because tonight, we're diving into a powerful anti-inflammatory turmeric drink you can make right at home. Alright, let's jump into it. So, tonight we're talking about an amazing anti-inflammatory turmeric drink that not only tastes good but can also be a game changer for your health. Inflammation is something that many people deal with, and it can lead to various health issues over time. This drink harnesses the goodness of turmeric to help tackle that inflammation head-on, potentially improving your overall well-being. Now, let's get real for a second. Inflammation is a common problem that affects so many of us. Whether it's due to diet, stress, or even just aging, many people are searching for natural remedies to help manage it. We've all been there, feeling a bit sluggish, dealing with joint pain, or just overall discomfort. You might be hitting the medicine cabinet for relief, but what if there was a natural solution that didn't involve popping pills? That's where this turmeric drink comes into play. It's a holistic approach that could make a significant difference in how you feel day to day. So, what's in this magical drink? Let's break it down. The star of our show is, of course, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains a compound called curcumin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But we're not stopping there. We're also adding black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Then, there's ginger, another anti-inflammatory powerhouse, plus honey for sweetness and a splash of lemon for that refreshing zing. Together, these ingredients create a delicious drink that not only fights inflammation but also boosts your immune system and supports digestion. It's a win-win. Now, let's get to the exciting part, the recipe. To make this turmeric drink, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and the juice of half a lemon. Start by boiling 2 cups of water and then whisk in the turmeric, black pepper, and ginger. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the heat and strain it into a glass. Stir in that honey and lemon juice, and voila! You've got yourself a warm, comforting drink that's packed with health benefits. To wrap it all up, remember that this anti-inflammatory turmeric drink is not just a tasty beverage, it's a way to support your body's natural defenses and help manage inflammation. By integrating this simple drink into your routine, you could see improvements in your energy levels, joint health, and overall wellness. So, what are you waiting for? Give this turmeric drink a try tonight. I'd love to hear how it works for you, so make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome health tips. Cheers to your health, and I'll see you next time.